How do you find skilled crew for Irish film productions? Imagine standing on a bustling Irish set, surrounded by talented professionals who bring stories to life. How do filmmakers find these skilled individuals ready to work in Ireland's vibrant film scene? Well, it all starts with knowing what roles are needed. Whether it's camera operators, sound technicians, art directors, or lighting specialists, each position requires specific skills. For example, a camera operator must understand framing and camera operation, while a production sound mixer manages audio quality on set. Once you know what roles you need, the next step is to connect with specialized recruitment agencies. Ireland has agencies like the Production People that focus solely on sourcing film crew. They have pre-screened pools of experienced professionals, which makes hiring faster and more reliable. These agencies handle the vetting process, so you get crew members who meet your project's needs. Another great way is to register on crew databases maintained by organizations like Northern Ireland Screen. They keep updated lists of local crew available for film and television projects. Registering increases your chances of finding crew who are familiar with Irish filming standards and practices. Networking also plays a big role. Many crew members find work through word of mouth, industry events, and local film festivals. Attending Irish film festivals like the Galway Fleadh or Dublin International Film Festival can help you meet talented professionals face to face. When hiring directly, it's important to follow a clear process. Review applications carefully, conduct interviews either in person or online, and test skills with practical exercises. Always check references and background to confirm professionalism. If you're bringing crew from outside Ireland, you'll need to consider visa and work permit rules. Screen Ireland offers guidance on employment visas for crew coming to work on productions lasting from 15 to 90 days. Lastly, embracing inclusive hiring practices can help you find a diverse and talented team. Clear job ads, transparent interview processes, and accommodations for different needs make your search more effective. Ireland's film industry infrastructure is strong, with experienced local crew ready to work on everything from small indie projects to big international films. Using agencies, databases, and local contacts makes it easier to build your dream team. So, whether you're shooting in Dublin, Belfast, or the scenic Irish countryside, finding skilled crew is all about connecting with the right people, following a structured process, and respecting legal requirements. That way, your Irish film production will have the talented team it needs to succeed.